Hey everybody, it's Jennifer Labre here, and I'm here with a brand new card for you. We're going to be using the Lasting Lily set. Gorgeous set, especially for sympathy cards. I had a death in my family this week. My Uncle Paul passed away, and so it seems like the perfect moment to do a sympathy card. Here's what I came up with. For the moments you can't put into words. And then may the constant love of caring friends bring you comfort and peace. So a very simple card, but very beautiful. And I'm sure the receiver would love it to receive it. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of Granny Apple Green cardstock. Cut it in half lengthwise and then score it at 5.5. Give it a good crease with the bone folder. Then we're going to take a sheet of Daffodil Delight cardstock. This is 4 inches by 5.25 inches. And then we've got 2 sheets of the Whisper White. One is for the inside, the standard size, which is 5.25 by 4. And then the one we're going to stamp on is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. So let's get stamping. Okay, first thing we're going to do is grab our sentiment. Now, if you look at this set, it's got lots of sentiments. So if you're a sentiment lover, you've got it covered in this set. By the way, I should mention this set is only available for free during celebration with a $100 order. So if you place a $100 order, you have the choice of either picking 2 of the $50 freebies or the 1 of the $100 freebies. And there's another freebie that they just added too that's gorgeous as well. But if you're into lilies, calla lilies, this is a perfect set for you. So again, free with a $100 purchase during celebration. I don't know if it's going to be available in the new annual catalog that comes out in June. We'll just have to wait and see. But if you like this set, I wouldn't hesitate to wait and get it. And as always, if you do need a catalog or if you need help with placing an order, please feel free to contact me, and I'm happy to help. Okay, so let's get started with our sentiment. We're going to use For the Moments You Can't Put into Words. So let's grab that one. Grab our black. And we're going to use the Tuxedo Black Memento ink for that. And I've got it on upside down and crooked. So we couldn't be more off on this. Let's get it on there a little bit better. Luckily with the clear stamps, we can always see where we're stamping, so we can make sure that it's nice and straight. I do have a little doohickey there, but not gonna bother me. Okay, that happens all the time, and if you let it bother you, you'll never get a card made. So, and let's stamp the inside right away too. And that is going to be the longer sentiment. And I'll stamp that right there. Perfect. Clean that off with my chamois. Okay, and we're done with the black ink. Whoops. Okay, now we're going to grab our larger lily. And my phone is ringing. We'll just ignore that. Okay. Now let's continue with, we've got Daffodil Delight ink and the Granny Apple Green ink. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is the Daffodil Delight. Again, we've got our large lily top, and we're going to just stamp it up here. Beautiful. then we'll grab our smaller lily, and we'll use a smaller block for this. There we go. Perfect. Okay, then we need to do the bottoms, or the stems. Now you'll see there's two stems here, and one of them has a larger opening, one of them has a smaller opening. That's how I know which one it goes with which lily. So the larger one goes with the larger lily. And make sure you have your grid paper underneath your stamping so that when you do stamp over the edge, you'll catch that and it won't go on your table. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Make sure we get all that ink off. We're done with the stamps. And we're going to assemble. Let's grab our snail adhesive. Oh, looks like I need a new snail. Be right back. I could have sworn I just replaced this, but again. Very simple to replace. If you haven't seen this done before, you take it out of the package, pop out this little piece here, and then it just simply fits together. Couldn't be more easy. Okay. And then we'll get the rest of the snail on there. Grab our daffodil piece. There we go. We'll put it on the base of the card. There we go. And the inside of the card, you could certainly put another lily on there if you wanted to. I wanted to leave it a little extra space so that I could write a special message to the recipient. But you could certainly stamp in there too if you wanted to. Okay, and then finally we're going to take some of our rhinestones. You all know I love a little sparkle, and our take your pick tool. We'll grab some of the larger rhinestones. How about I put one right over that little doohickey. And we're just going to put 3 of them on there. Nice odd number is always more pleasing to the eye. And there's our card. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. Please feel free to check out my blog for all the products that I used, as well as other information going on with Stampin' Up right now. You can find that at jenniferlabre.com. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help you in any way that I can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.